just want to film a little beauty self-care challenge page plan with me. It's not exactly a weekly plan, it's just going to be like one page with things I want to do for pampering and all those kinds of things, and what's on my beauty list and wish list and all that. And the main stickers I'm going to use are these stickers from Michelle and Pat, which is an Etsy store, and I love her stickers. She's really nice, and I've been buying stickers from her for ages, so you should check her store out. I'll link it in the description box. So let's dive into this kind of, I'm going to show you stickers from Michelle and Patch, and then I'm going to do a little page plan with me. And yeah, let me just show you what I got from Michelle and Patch, because I got these. So I got this sticker sheet, which is going to be the base. I got some lipsticks, which I might use. Then I got, this was the sampler. I like the camera. And I got another pair of these because I've got a plan with me idea, and I think these are so pretty. And the cameras, I don't know where I'm going to use the cameras, but maybe Instagram or something. We'll see. They're pretty though. Look how pretty. I'll bring it up close. Really, really pretty stickers. And takeaway sampler. So cute. Oops, it's upside down. Here you go. That's her store, Michelle and Patch. And let's just do one more close up before I start destroying this one. So you get a hair dryer, you get shampoo, conditioner, a bath, some nice knickers, pretty dress, really, really pretty beauty self-care page. So if you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, plus size fashion. I vlog sometimes, and of course planner videos and stationery hauls and everything that has to do with fun glam planning. So it would be great if you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you don't want to subscribe but you like my content. And yeah, let's begin the spread. I'm going to also use some washi tape. This washi tape, which I got ages ago, and this washi tape. 2 polka dot washi tapes. This is from the Works. You get a set. So I got this from the Works, and this, I don't know where I got this from, was ages ago. So let's begin. My wild styled planner, and I want to go to one of the empty pages and just like, hang on, plain pages. I put them usually at the back. So should I go for lines or shall I go for leopard? I think I'm going to go for black and white lines. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. No, I think I'm going to go for black and white lines. Okay. Oh, and I found this nice quote. Pretty is as pretty does. That's from the Glam Girl sticker accessories pack. So I'm going to use that. Uh-oh. My washi tape has finished. There's nothing left. So there goes that plan. I'll have to, oh sorry, I had you sideways. I'll have to use the other one. So I put some washi tape and then some washi tape on top. I'm colorblind, so if I make mistakes, that's fine. I do get help from my partner though. He sits there and tells me what washi tape goes with, well, he tries to, goes with what. Yeah. So I've written beauty and skincare wish list in the middle, and I used this paint pen. I don't know what color it is. I got a pink one and an orange one, so I don't know which one I'm using, but whatever. It's fine. So I've done something so far. I think it's looking pretty. So I put the dress down here. Let me just show you up close. And then I put the, so what I did is I tried to match the stickers with what I want. and like and what's on my wish list. So I really like the Philip Kingsley line. If you've never tried that hair care line, you should. It's really good. And I heard about the elasticizer. It's got like pre-shampoo, shampoo, deep conditioning treatment, any kind of treatment is on my wish list for my hair. And then I've ran out of my perfume. One of my favorite perfumes is Escara Notes. You can't really find that easily. So anyway, maybe when I go back to Greece, that could be something. And it smells like powder and I love it. And then this is tacky, but I like them. They're called like bling brushes, and they're like really sparkly brushes for the eyes. So yeah, I've also seen another brush set actually. Hang on, do I have any more brushes? Yeah, I've seen another brush set. I'm going to put that in my planner now. I've got these undies stickers here, so I just added like a nice lingerie set, you know, something nice, I don't know. And then the nail varnish, I really like the Dior nail varnish. I'd like to get like a fall color or a holiday color, something maybe red, really nice. Really, if you haven't tried Dior nail varnish, they're really good and they don't chip. So I have two and I'm really happy with them. What else have I added? Nothing. Moving on. So I finished. What do you think? I think it looks so cute. Very pretty. So let me just tell you what I did. So I had this quote is from the Glam Girl sticker book. And then I added from Michelle and Patch, the dryer and the shampoo and conditioner. As I said, Philip Kingsley. Then I have here a spa day. Anywhere I put that little bath. It looks so cute. Perfume, lingerie, brush sets. There are some really cute ones at B&M with leopard print. Then I don't know what this is. What is it? Can you tell me what you think that is? I don't know what it is. Anyway, I just added that and put some makeup bits from Hourglass, which is super expensive, but this is a wish list, so it doesn't matter. And then I got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, and I really like it, and I'd like to get the lip liner. I think I might add a little bit of washi tape here. Let me think. Hang on before I finish. So I did. I added the washi tape, and I took this off because you can take the stickers off. Really good quality. And I just stuck that on top. So there you have my spread. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty. So if you want to make your own beauty and skincare wish list page, do so. Tag me on Instagram. I'm at mypinkrambles on Instagram and Twitter. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you subscribe, that would be great. Trying to grow and would love to have you in my little group. If you don't want to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and I'll just show up on your YouTube suggestions. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yasa.